Hello friends, welcome to C Space. Today in this video session, we will discuss about how to boost your productivity with the help of GitHub Copilot. So here I am demonstrate this with some live examples. So let's start. First of all, we need to get the GitHub Copilot for your Visual Studio. So any ID that you want. So firstly go to this GitHub Copilot, and then you can get this get Copilot button, and you can get 30 days free trial. After that you will charge $10 per month, or you can buy $100 per year. So you can try this and get here Copilot. So I already have account for this. So after getting a creating account from this GitHub Copilot, go to your Visual Studio, and here you can go to this manage extensions, and then search here Copilot. After that you can get this GitHub Copilot extension. Here I already installed this, so this showing a green mark here. So after authenticating and verifying this GitHub Copilot, your this extension will add it to this Visual Studio. And here I am taking this simple console application for demonstrating the live suggestions from GitHub Copilot. This will boost your productivity at the efficient level, so you can done your job quickly compared to manually writing your code. So let's start. Like I want to create some class for employees. So you can just write here a comment like create class for employees. After pressing enter button, this will display suggestions, so you can accept their suggestions by pressing a tab button. So I'm just pressing a tab, and this code will written here. And after that, like I'm creating a list for this class. So I'm just writing a comment. So it's auto suggesting that you want to create a list for your employees class. So simply press tab button and then press enter. Then this will create object for that list of employees. So simply press tab button, and like is auto suggesting according to your programming behavior. It's suggesting that you want to add employees to the list. Yes, and then press enter. Then this will add a new employees to here, and this again press enter. So it will adding multiple employees to here. And like if you want to show this list to the console, so simply writing like so employees list. So all employees details. So all employees in the list. So simply press it, and this will suggesting the for each loop for that list. So accept this, and like you can also, it's also suggesting different scenarios, like find the oldest employees. So simply select this here, and this will find the oldest employees, and this will showing that information into the console. And like find the youngest employees, so it will auto suggesting that mode. So it will suggest for the youngest employees. Please accept it. And like if I want to show the name of the youngest employees, like so the average age of all employees, so you can write it anything according to your need. So this will display it. So the number of employees who are the developers, anything like so the name of the first employees whose name is like M. So I choose it and this will display that, and then console, and this like I'm writing a console dot read line accept. Now I'm like running this application. So this will display the result for all these commands. So here this will display all the commands like old age, young age, average, and first implies. So all this result will display here. So you can see how this GitHub Copilot will most improve your coding skills and your improve your styles for writing of code at a professional level. So this is very helpful for this. I also show you some example for in SQL how this will work with your SQL. Like I'm opening this sample database. So here I am writing like a command create here I am writing a comment in SQL. So like create employees table, employee table. So pressing enter button, this will create a simple employee tables. So accept this by pressing tab button here. Sometimes saying some details, so you can change like I'm change this identity, and then like create insert data into that employee table. So simply tab it and this showing the insert command, and like I'm writing a create procedure, create procedure stored procedure for CRUD operations on employee table. So this will select displaying this some sample store procedure for this employee table. So I accept it, and then it's automatically suggesting that you want to write the ads. If you want to change something, then you can simply discard it and write that things on that query. So just ads, and then you can write it. It's auto suggesting also that like begin, and then if conditions and all things. So like I'm writing that begin, and it auto suggesting that create, read, update, and delete all things that is required into that employee table. So simply suggest that, and you can simply write that things into that store procedures. So this all the things you can just by accepting that and then pressing enter button, and this complete your job in some minutes. So this is very helpful to complete your job, and very impressive for that. So you can just try this GitHub Copilot into your IDE like Visual Studio and NetBeans and any things that you want. So according to your language, this support a multiple IDs. So that's it for today. So if you like my video, please click on subscribe button and also click on notification bell for latest updates. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.